Good morning, dear students. So I welcome you all to this video lecture. So in this lecture we will be discussing about percent and percentage. So I think all of you are familiar with what is the meaning of percent and percentage. Percent means per 100 or out of 100. So let me just write it. It means per 100 or out of 100. Okay, out of 100. So if someone comes and tells me 7 out of 35, so what percent is 7 out of 35? So what you can do in this case is you just make it in fraction 7 by 35 and just multiply it by 100 and put the percentage sign. So this should be able to give you 7 1 is 7, 7 5 is 35, 5 20 is. So I can say that it is 20%. So I can say that 7 is nothing but 20% of 35. So this is how we can make a very good use of percent and percentage. So I hope this is clear. So let us see one more application to express one quantity as a percent of another. If someone comes and tells me how much percentage is 40 paise of 6 rupees, rupees 6. So what you can do over here is very simple. What you do is express it in terms of fraction like this, but remember 40 is paisa and 6 is rupees, so you have to change 6 to paisa. So 6 rupees is 600 paisa, and whatever comes just multiply it by 100. Yes, so I can write this one as 0 0 0 0. So 2, pardon, it is 3, 2 3s are 2 3s are 6, 2 20s are. So if you write it, you can write this one as 3 6 are 18, 6 2 3 percentage. So that means 6 2 by 3 percentage of rupees 6 is 40 paisa. So this is how we can calculate it. So this is done. To express one quantity as percent of another, so let us try to discuss one more application. So the other application is to find percentage of a quantity. Okay, so suppose if someone comes and tells me that only 10% of out of 10% out of 60 people in the class passed in mathematics exam. So that is 10% of 60 people in our class passed in the examination. So let us imagine this condition. Then that person tells me, now how many boys did actually pass in that examination? So it's very simple. What you do is you just make it 10 by 100 into 60 and you just write it. So I can say that actually 6 people passed in that examination. So this is how we can make use of percentage. So in this video lecture we went across the introduction to percent and percentage. What does it mean to express one quantity as a percent of the other, and also to find percentage of a quantity. I hope everything was clear. We will be looking further examples in the classes to come. So thank you all of you for the patient listening.